In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to build your brand and audience on Squarespace. We'll walk through your account dashboard, organize your pages, and tune your site styles so everything looks cohesive and inviting. By the end, you'll know how to connect your visual identity to the parts of your site that turn visitors into followers and customers. Start by heading to your Squarespace account dashboard. This is your control center where all your sites live. From here, click into your dashboard, then choose Go to Website to open the site you're working on. Once the site loads, open the website menu and go to Pages. This is where your navigation, hidden pages, and overall structure are managed, which is foundational for both branding and audience growth. Inside Pages, look at Main Navigation. This is the menu visitors see first, so the labels here should be clear, benefit-led, and on-brand. Select items like Services, Team, and any policy or trust pages, such as Health and Safety, to get familiar with what's already on your site. Each of these pages plays a role. Your Services page communicates value, your Team page humanizes your brand, and Safety or policy pages build trust, key ingredients for audience confidence. Next, check the Not Linked section. These are pages that exist but aren't in your primary navigation. Find your home page if it's there, and drag it to where it belongs. Dragging and reordering is a simple but powerful way to guide your audience's journey. What appears in the main menu influences what people discover and how long they stay. With your structure in place, open site styles to bring your visual identity to life. Begin with themes to set a consistent foundation for spacing, typography, and overall feel. Then head to fonts. Choose a readable pairing, one for headings and one for body text, that reflects your brand's personality and keeps content scannable. Next, go to Colors. Establish a palette with a strong contrast ratio for accessibility and designate a standout accent for calls to action. Move into Buttons and set sizes, shapes, and states so your primary actions are obvious and consistent across the site. In Forms, align your input fields, buttons, and messages with your brand styling. Well-designed forms encourage signups and inquiries, which grow your audience. Finally, check Miscellaneous for extra polish on details like spacing and lines. When you're done, close Site Styles to return to your page. Now, let's refine the content on your home page. Click your main welcome text block and choose Edit. Open the design settings and adjust the opacity if your text sits on top of an image or background. A slight overlay can increase readability without losing the visual impact. This small tweak often makes headlines clearer and more professional. Click into an empty space to exit the text controls, then select an image block. Choose Edit and use Replace to swap in a visual that matches your brand story. Think images that show your product in use, your team in action, or outcomes your audience wants. If you want to fine-tune, click Edit within the image settings to crop or adjust focus so the subject is clear across devices. If the image doesn't add value, remove clutter by choosing Delete. Strong imagery should earn its place by reinforcing your message or guiding attention to a call to action. When your changes feel right, click Save. This captures your style updates, content edits, and navigation tweaks. Then choose Exit to return to the main view. You've just aligned your site structure, visuals, and key content with your brand, while setting up pages and forms that help convert curious visitors into an engaged audience. Keep your navigation simple, your styles consistent, and your messages clear, and you'll make it easier for people to recognize, trust, and follow your brand. Thanks for watching, and enjoy building your brand on Squarespace.